Welcome to RBL. Today guys, we're going over the Ziploc survival kit. This is a Ziploc that my 3D filament came in. Nice and heavy duty. Thought it'd make a nice kit. Yeah, let's get right into it. Right on top, we have our Gerber multi-tool. This is the utility one, so either dismantling or repairing wouldn't be an issue. We have our main blade, we have our flathead, Phillips saw, as well as a pair of scissors, and some other little odds and ends, some more blades. I honestly don't know what these are. Just more screwdrivers. But great little multi-tool. They lock in when you use them as well, so they won't come back and cut you. Here we have our little pocket fishing kit, some fake bait, little bobbers, our line hooks, some snap-on sinkers as well. The cordage, we have a good amount of 550 paracord. It's bunched up here. Break that down, make more strands of it. Here we have a little pocket saw. It's a saw made out of a, Sawzall blade. Just a backup to this. Keep you warm at night. We have a Mylar survival blanket, or emergency blanket, rescue blanket. Work great for reflecting your heat. You use them to make shelters, rain collection, all that jazz. And for our card plethora, we have our magnification card, our lens, as well as our pop-out card. So we have some hooks here, some backup hooks, as well as a fork or a spearhead, some needles here, line collectors, as well as an arrowhead. For navigation, we have our military compass. Very nice compass, works really good. As well as glow in the dark. For signaling, we have a signal whistle, as well as a snap-on belt thing. I love these. Either put it on your shirt or on your pants, on your shorts, anything like that. Another form of signaling, we have our signal mirror from 12 Survivors. We have a one pair of 10-hour hand warmers. Another big thing is our rain poncho. Another way of making shelter, rain collection, or just keeping away from the elements. We also have a basic sewing kit. Well, not that basic sewing kit, very robust sewing kit that works just on anything. I don't know where to put you. Put you over yonder. We have some water treatment tablets. For fire starting, we have some UCO stormproof matches. Work great for starting fires in moist environments. We also have 2 water activated towelettes for hygiene or water filtration. Another source of fire starting, we have our lighter, our Ranger lighter. Right here, this is stuffed with cotton balls and petroleum jelly. And we have our lighter here, which we can set them on fire, as well as some duct tape. Will work for fire starting. For water containment, we're going to use our basic Ziploc bag that we put everything in. And then go ahead and put all the little stuff, all the containable stuff in here, and move on. Or you can put the water in here if you chose to. Totally up to you. Another fire starting source is a ferrocerium magnesium stick, which is, here's the magnesium, the big chunk. Then we have our ferro for striking, as well as a striker. And that's it. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Thank you guys for watching the video. Have a nice day.